Hey guys, this is Joffrey Ward, and today I'm going to teach you the best way to make money online. I'm going to be giving you things that are low cost to get started with, and I'm going to give you some things that doesn't cost any money to start with right now. If you're new to my channel, we're talking about making money online. On this channel, we talk about different ways to make money online, from side hustling through DoorDash or to making money with apps, different things of that nature. If that's something that interests you, you want to subscribe to my channel, you just basically hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification. You'll be notified when I drop a new video. Now, this is going to be a no nonsense type of video. I'm going to get straight to the point. You want to pay attention to it. You want to stay around until the entire video is done. All of the links to the stuff that I'm going to be talking about will be in the description below. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment them below, or if you're on the live stream, ask those questions in the chat box and also in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm on my phone and I'm getting ready to show you some things, but the things that cost no money to do, the no money things you can do, is basically test and promote apps. Basically, you just want to test the app and see, does the app pay? Does the app make money? And if you do, you want to promote that app using their referral system. It's different referrals. It's different referral systems for each app. Of course, you know the ones that I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to go over them, but basically you just test it out. You see if it works. You does what the app says. If you receive a payout or something like that, you can then, accurately and very ethically promote those apps because you've tested them and you've seen that they work. Prime example, let me pull up the first app, and there's no surprise when I'm starting here. You guys already know. We're going to start with Dash, and to start with Dash, the link will be in the description below. The only thing you need to do is basically click the link in the description below. Basically it'll take you to the app. You sign up, you confirm your email address, and this is an app that allows you to earn money on cash back. So you will need a verified credit card, prepaid or debit card, a card that you use at certain stores. And you basically want to link it here, and once you link it there, you're going to get your first $5, and you want to go out and you want to get your first cash back just to test to see if this app works. So currently I have $35 in this app, and it's not even, well, it's 5 o'clock right now. We still have still got about 6 more hours to go, in order, for the day to be over. Well, actually, my bad, 7. We got about 7 more hours to go. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to surpass $50 using this app. Basically, once you use this app and once you go out to one of these stores, they have a lot of stores that you can go to, not only just nearby but online. And when you click nearby, you want to click on the actual store link so you can see where the actual store is. They might have different stores in there, but only one may be running the 5% cash back. So you basically want to check the stores and see the locations before you go shop at that place, just to make sure that that store is online. So basically you want to use the card that you link to Dash. So the card that you link to Dash, you want to go into the store and use it. If you have a debit card, you want to hit credit because you're not going to get the credit if you hit debit. So you definitely want to hit credit when you go and purchase some of the stuff. And this is not something that you have to go out your way to purchase. If you're already purchasing things at Pier 1 and Pizza Hut, stuff like that, then it's just easy for you. You just go in there and do what you normally do. Hit, buy the stuff, you get paid with it, you take a screenshot, and then you come over here to this refer section and refer people to do the same thing. This is where about 80% of my money comes from, referring people. So it says when you get $5 for each person that you refer, who signs up by linking a verified credit or debit card. Once they do that, if you refer this to another person, they like the app, they swipe for a credit or debit card. Once they do that, once they link it to Dash, you're going to get paid $5 just for referring them. So this is a way that you could test the app, and once you see the app works, you can then share the cash back with other people and say, hey, I've been using this app, it's giving me cash back. Would you like to check it out? Here's the link. You give them your link. They go through you. They link a card. You get paid $5. Simple. I have people that I have taught this to who are making over $500 a month. You can do the same thing. I mean, it's really simple. So far, we are in the middle of March, And so far, just on this app, I've made over $991. Basically, just this stuff is on autopilot. Basically, I use Pinterest to promote. I'll talk about that in another video, but I just use Pinterest to promote and just go out there and promote. Another app that has really been on the scene so far is Fetch Rewards. And this is an app that, allows you to scan your receipts. You scan your receipts and they pay you in points. You can then redeem those points for rewards in here. They have a lot of rewards. I have 10,000 points available. So I'm waiting for this to load up. Matter of fact, let me just turn on my Wi-Fi here so it can go a little faster. But let me come back to it. Let me go to the actual plan and scan. So I use this app and I scan my receipts with it. So these are receipts that you get at grocery stores, different things of that nature. I've scanned my receipt. I got over 22,000 points. Basically by referring and scanning receipts. I then went and showed people how to do the same thing, how they can earn money by scanning their grocery receipts. They go through the app through me. I tested the app just to make sure it works. So you can see I have 7 receipts scanned. They gave me a total of 2,000 points. And I think when you scan your first receipt, when you go through my link and you scan your first receipt in Fetch Rewards, you get I think you get a 2,000 point bonus. So you definitely want to do that. Go through the link in my description below and you'll get 2,000 points for scanning your first receipt. But basically I tested it out. Different products in here that you can come in here and you add. Once you scan, you get a whole bunch of points. You can then redeem those points. And if I just go by points here, I can go to 10K because I have over 10,000 points. And basically I can get a gift card or whatever, or even come down here. This thing would load up. I'm just scanning through here and then do this virtual rewards card. So it depends on what you actually want. So that's that. So that's one of them. If I go back and I go back to my home screen, I can actually show you some other stuff that you can do. So Society is another app. It's an app that allows you to earn money by watching TV shows and doing quizzes on them. This will be in the description below as well, but they have most of the popular TV shows. You come in here, you play the games on that particular episode and you earn points. You can also refer people in here and get paid $1 per person that you refer. So this is actually a good app for referrals as well as Dosh. So those are the top 2 paying ones. And Fetch Rewards, I forgot to say, has a referral program as well. So those are the apps that you can use in order to just test out, see if they work for you personally. It's a whole bunch of apps. These are not just only apps you can use. There are so many money making apps and reward apps that you can actually try out. But once you want to test them, and then if they work, you promote them. So it's simple as that. So that's the first one. And this one should be pretty easy. The things that I'm going to be talking about right here that are low cost are generally around $20 to $100. It's not going to cost you anything more than that. Basically, you want to create viral t-shirts. In my Merch by Amazon print on demand back office. So basically what print on demand is a way that you can put your design onto shirts, and once those shirts sell, they're going to give you a percentage of the sale. The royalty, you can see I get about $6.65 per shirt that's sold. I've sold over 704 shirts and only had 30 returns. 30 cancellations. These are the ones that are canceled, and only 5 returns. So that's a good percentage. Now obviously you're not going to get most of the revenue share because you're not actually shipping out these shirts. Amazon is actually putting the design on the shirt, shipping it to the person, handling all the customer service, and also handling all questions and concerns. So with that, that's why you get the revenue share that you get. But of course you can adjust this. So when you create a shirt, if you want to get paid a lot per shirt, you can actually up the price. Now that does kind of lower your sale rate a little bit. I've tested that out in these last couple of months, and though I'm making a lot more money, and my royalties has went up, I'm not selling as many shirts as I can. I know people who basically have their shirts set at a $3 royalty, and maybe I should try that. They are selling at least 100 shirts per month. The closest I've got to that is 30 right here. in December, and it's just because of the Christmas holiday, and then 24 right here. Had 15 last month, so that's pretty good. Is the lower you lower your price, the more money you will make. So you basically want to go into viral niches. So you basically want to go to trends and see what's trending. What's trending at the moment, and see if it's able to net you a profit by creating a t-shirt. So you can see Fortnite is trending, so you can do like a Fortnite quote. You can, you know, research it as long as you don't use names. You want to go to trademark here and make sure that none of the stuff that you are creating is trademarked. So if you create a Fortnite t-shirt, you want to go and if you create a Fortnite t-shirt around a phrase, you want to go to trademark it and make sure that that phrase is not copyrighted, so you don't get in trouble. There's ways you can insinuate that you're talking about Fortnite that only Fortnite people will understand, and not actually get in trouble. So the World Cup is something that's going on right now. You can do research about the World Cup. You can see it's trending, and basically I'm just at Google Trends, so you just type that in your browser, find out what's going on. Climate can change is something that's very, very popular. So you can come in here and do some climate change shirts and actually put them on print on demand sites. Now, protest. Matter of fact, let me go to protest signs, and I can actually see what some of the popular signs that people are using for this protest. So, keep the earth clean. It's not Uranus. That's something that could work good on a t-shirt for climate control lovers, for people who want to do a protest. I'm pretty sure if you put that on a t-shirt, people will buy that. So you basically just come in here and you want to make sure they're not copyrighted. Make sure the stuff is not copyrighted. You just come in here and you do it. United by nature, guided by science. You can do something like that. Stop premature Christmas Day, right? That's kind of a funny one. You can make America think again. March for science education. You can see what type of marches are going on. You can create t-shirts for that type of shirt. So there's different ways you can do that. See what's trending. Climate change is trending, so if I click on it and actually go in here and look at some of the stuff that's been trending, so obviously it's trending in other countries. It's not really trending in the US, so I don't know how big of a deal that would be, but a lot of people search for climate change t-shirts around the world. So if I go to climate change shirts, and I can actually see if it's trending or not, see if it's an actual niche that you can get into. So right now it is trending upwards. So this was February 24th through the March the 2nd, 2019. Right now it's at 100, which means it's really trending. It's really trending right now. So it was at 87 February the 17th through the February 23rd. So now we're in the middle of the month, February 10th through the 16th. So that means a lot of people are searching that term on Google. So let me just look up climate change t-shirts. Climate change shirts, and you can get a general idea of what platforms you need to be selling on as well. So if I hit all, you can see some of the ones that they're selling right here. If I hit all, Redbubble is free to sign up. So you can see this #2 for climate change shirts, which is trending right now. So basically what you want to do is you want to create a Redbubble account. I'm already on Redbubble. I've showed you guys payment proof of Redbubble before, so you guys already know. If you haven't seen my print on demand t-shirt video, you should definitely check it out. If I go to Redbubble artists, sign up, and basically the sell online is absolutely free. You come in here, you get started, you sign up. Once you sign up, you can start placing your art on different shirts and cases, and I think in Redbubble we even have posters and all that different stuff. So you as an independent artist would create the design. You would put the design on the shirts through Redbubble, and Redbubble will list it for sale. They would do all the printing and shipping and all that good stuff for you, so you don't have to worry about that. The only thing you need to be worrying about is basically creating the best design that you can possibly can, And if you don't want to design the stuff yourself, you can go to Fiverr. This is where the low cost comes in. You go to Fiverr and you basically ask somebody to design it for you. T-shirt design. You look through the reviews, see who is the best at it, and get somebody to design a t-shirt for you, or they're different kind of designs. And you know, this looks pretty good right here. You can actually do that and actually get people to do that for you. So once that design is in there, you can then start promoting it. So if you know, that's basically what you do in order to create viral shirts. So if you have any questions, you can contact me on not on Facebook, but on Instagram, YouTube, or whatever. But that's basically how you create viral shirts. And the last one is affiliate offer promotions. I'm actually going to do a separate video on that. This video is already over 16 minutes long. So if you enjoyed this content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment any questions you have below. Also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. All the links to everything will be in the description below. Hope you guys got a whole lot of value from this. These are the best ways that you can make money online in 2019. A lot of people want to make money online in 2019, so let's go ahead and do it by using these methods. So got a lot more to share with you. It's just a tip of the iceberg. I'm going to do more and more videos on this as I test things and actually make money with it, because like I tell people every time I do my YouTube channel or my YouTube video, I say if I haven't made money with it, then I don't promote it. So these are the things that I'm currently doing to make money with. So hope that was of value to you. Like it, share it. See you on the next video. Peace out.